Bakit may mga leader na parang nanghihina kapag walang pumapalakpak sa kanila? May mga leaders na sobrang dependent sa approval ng ibang tao. Kapag may praise, ganado. Kapag may compliments, inspired. Pero the moment na wala ng validation, parang nawawala rin ang energy nila to lead. The problem is, leadership cannot survive on applause alone, because real leadership is tested during silent seasons when nobody notices the sacrifices, the overtime, the emotional burden, and the difficult decisions behind the scenes. If your motivation depends entirely on recognition, eventually your consistency will also depend on it. Ang tunay na leader, tuloy pa rin ang trabaho kahit walang applause, kahit walang spotlight at walang nagpo-post tungkol sa kanya. Hindi validation ang gasolina niya, kundi responsibility and purpose. Great leadership is sustained by purpose, not by praise. Follow the people edit, because for me, people, process, and progress will always matter.